In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your username on Telegram quickly and easily using the Telegram PC app. This is a simple privacy tweak that can help make your account a little more private, especially if you don't want people searching for you by username or clicking into your public handle. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens up Telegram's main menu, where all of your account settings are located. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can control your profile, privacy, notifications, and other account preferences. After that, click My Account. Depending on your version of Telegram, this may open your profile details or account information page. Now look for the username option and click on it. This is the field that contains your public Telegram username, the one people can use to find or mention you. To hide it, simply erase your current username so that the field is completely blank. Make sure there are no letters, numbers, or symbols left in that box. Once the username field is empty, click Save, or if you see a checkmark icon instead, click that to confirm the change. Telegram will then update your account and remove the username from your profile. After this, people will no longer be able to find you through that username link, which gives you a bit more control over your privacy. And that's it. You've now hidden your Telegram username in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide.